recording. I am headed to the field to plant 69 acres. Forgive me if I turn my head too quick. I'm doing this for my grandson since he cannot be here. I'm a novice, so I don't know exactly what is going on. Going by our house now. And out the lane.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now some of you may be thinking, what the heck is that tractor doing up there by the road? Well, I'm here to tell you. That tractor is a tractor mailbox. No, not a tractor on a mailbox. The mailbox is on the tractor. Isn't that funny? All you people with a tractor on your mailbox, we just one-upped you. No, but really what happened was Grandpa was out planting. He came back and he figured out that someone had knocked over his mailbox while they drove by. So, since he was too tired to dig a new hole for one, instead he put the mailbox in the tractor and put it by the road, waiting for the mailman. Now that is how you do a tractor mailbox, my friends.